This is question 7, Higher Maths, Paper 1, 2012. We're given a couple of vectors, u and v. We're told the three components of them, though z component here is, we're not fully aware of what it is. It's twice a number t, and the y component here is t. So we're asked to find that value of t. We're asked to determine what the components that are missing here are, but we're also told the two vectors are perpendicular. So a little bit of background. Couple of vectors, call them u and v, with an angle theta between them, and the dot product u dot v is defined to be the length of u times the length of v times the cosine of the angle between them. Now if they're perpendicular, that angle there is going to be 90, and we know, hopefully, that the cosine of 90, here's a quick sketch of the cosine graph, the cosine of 90 degrees is 0. That's y equals cos theta degrees. So cosine of 90 is 0. 0 times these two lengths will be 0. So the dot product will be 0 if the vectors are perpendicular at right angles to each other. So these two are perpendicular. So their dot product, that's minus 3, 1, 2t dot 1t minus 1 is going to be 0. Now the result about the dot product when we know the three components of the vectors is that we multiply across by minus 3 times 1. That's the product multiplying the two x components. Then we add what we get when we multiply the two y components. That's 1 times t, plus what we get when we multiply the two z components. That's 2t times minus 1. And we know all that comes to 0. So that's just the dot product of two vectors. If you know the components, multiply across and add the results. So we now have minus 3, 1 times t is t. This is negative, 2t times negative 1 is just minus 2t. So minus 3, t minus 2t is minus t equals 0. So let's add t to both sides. That will disappear and we get a t appearing over there. So t is equal to minus 3. Let's just check the choices that were given. T equals minus 3 is choice A. You may have noticed that I used theta here. I really should have used x. These should match. Since I've got theta up there, I think what we should have done is just put a theta there. And basically we're saying that there's the graph of y equals cos theta, the values of cos theta. So all the variables match.